This is the Peach Street Speed Boil electric kettle. I bought this so I could quickly and easily heat water to make tea. I wanted something with a glass pitcher like this. I love the stainless steel black and glass design, and it's really easy to use. The kettle sits on this heating base, and one really cool feature I like about this is that the extension cord attaches to the base, so you can wind it up so it's out of the way for storage, or you can make it whatever length you want for your countertop. All you need to do to heat your water is put water into the pitcher in the big open mouth, plug in the base, set the water pitcher on the base, and press down on this little button here, and this really pretty LED blue light comes on to indicate that it is heating. It also adds cool factor. It's one of my favorite features of this pot. So if you look closely, you see that the water is already starting to bubble and heat up. This pitcher holds a max capacity of 1.7 liters. I currently have 1 liter of water in there. It's been about 2 minutes and we already have a boil here. It gets even more intense than this, but I'm going to stop it now because for tea, I don't actually want it to be a roaring boil. So to stop it, I just flip the switch up and now the heating element has stopped. I like to put my tea in one of these strainers and then pour the water into my cup. This is dandelion root, and I will just let it sit in there. But if you want to actually put your tea leaves or whatever else you want to infuse into your water inside the water in the pot, you can do that as well, because there is this strainer piece right here at the spout. So it will keep those leaves from going into your water. So that is also an option with this pot. I am in love with this water kettle and highly recommend it.